very unique trees in the landscape and are curious about what they are actually called a Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar and are often seen in some front yards and landscapes for their unique form that they create. They're definitely a sculptural piece in essence, kind of a landscape plant that you can put out there. Usually you'll just see one in the landscape because they are such a statement piece that you can add. Now you can see they're well known for this blue, icy blue color that you get from the needles, which is a nice addition. So not only are you getting this unique form, but you're getting the color as well. But really the form is what is the statement piece because of this pendulous habit that it creates. And because of that, it's only going to get to be about a 15-foot height, but it can reach up to about a 30-foot spread. So you want to be cautious about where you're planting it and how close to the house you are planting it because it can have an extensive root system. Now they are hardy between zone 6 and 9. And so they are hardy here for most of Oklahoma, but you may want to mulch the roots during those winter months. Also, during the summer months when we're especially experiencing drought, you might want to also do some deep watering as well. Now they are pretty well tolerant to most Oklahoma soils, which is nice, but you want to make sure that they're not in too wet of conditions because that can be detrimental to these as well. The other thing about these is when you're planting them, think about where and how it's going to grow as it matures. So you can see here they have it planted by an arbor, which actually is kind of a nice support. So you can actually train these onto supports so that you can almost create a curtain-like effect as it continues to grow over. In fact, I've seen these trained even on the handrails of bridges and stuff like that. Because of that really kind of serpentine look, you want to highlight those branches and allow people to view them from all angles. Now because they are so unique, when you're at the store to purchase one, make sure you get one that kind of has that form that you're going for and maybe some of those lead branches that you can train into the situation that you're looking to place it. Otherwise, they're a great addition to your home garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.